2025 Ford Motorhome combines the trusted performance of Ford engineering with the comforts of a luxury home on wheels. Built for long-distance adventures and off-grid living, this motorhome takes convenience, power, and style to an entirely new level. The exterior design is rugged yet refined, featuring Ford's iconic grille, sleek body lines, and full LED lighting for a modern touch. The motorhome is equipped with a high-strength aluminum body, multiple storage compartments, and solar panels integrated into the roof for sustainable energy. An automatic retractable awning and outdoor kitchenette ensure that your outdoor relaxation is as enjoyable as your indoor experience. Inside, the Ford Motorhome offers a spacious and luxurious living area. The cabin features premium leather seating, polished hardwood floors, and adjustable LED ambient lighting. The kitchen includes top-of-the-line appliances such as a full-size refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and ample counter space. The dining area is thoughtfully designed to provide comfort and style, transforming seamlessly into additional sleeping space. The bedroom boasts a queen-size memory foam bed, custom wardrobes, and large panoramic windows for stunning views. The bathroom is outfitted with a walk-in shower, high-end fixtures, and plenty of storage. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Motorhome is powered by a massive 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 engine, producing an impressive 475 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this motorhome ensures smooth and reliable performance, whether you're cruising the highway or exploring rugged terrains. The advanced suspension system and all-wheel drive make it capable of handling any road conditions with ease. Safety and convenience features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for maximum visibility. The infotainment system is equipped with a large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, navigation, and real-time weather updates to keep you informed and entertained during your journey. The 2025 Ford Motorhome starts at $200,000, with customizable options for off-road packages, extended living space, and personalized interior finishes to suit your unique travel needs. What do you think about Ford's ultimate motorhome creation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Pickup Time for more in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest vehicles.